Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to import any mail account to Gmail. Let's go to gmail.com. Assuming you already have an account, you just have to go to gmail.com. If you don't have an account, simply create one. I also have other videos to help you with creating a Gmail account. But let's get started. First of all, you go to gmail.com and on the top right you can see the settings option. It is located here. Then you press on it and you see this bar. From here you press on see all settings. After that you are basically here, and this might look complicated, but you can already see accounts and importing here. So let's go here, and then you basically press import mail and contacts. It's really simple. You will get this prompt pop up, and then you basically put in the email you want to import to your Gmail. Press continue. Now, if you have a Yahoo, Hotmail, well, basically any mail account that's made by a big company, you will be able to log in through here. But if you are using your own website or one that doesn't get identified, you basically put in your password here, and you have to put in the pop username and server. Normally you will get these details from your website, or you can just look up at your hosting. They will provide these info if this does not work. Let's press continue. Well, I cannot do this as I don't have a valid email, but once you press continue you should be done, and then you will basically receive emails that go to there. You will receive it on this email. Thank you for watching guys. Have a nice day.